Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create options in Google Sheets. So you can create options in the Google Sheets in a cell by using the drop-down feature, and this one is pretty easy. If you want to make a drop-down, you just need to go to the cells that you wanted and then just type in on add. Okay, this one, shift and then 2, and scroll down until you find the drop down. So click on this, and there will be a data validation rules tab in here on the right side. You can just don't change the criteria, just choose drop down, and then after that just change, you can change the options in here. For example, A, B, you can add another item in here, C. So you can add many options that you want, and then after that just click on done. You can close it, and here the drop down will be created. If you want to make it all the way down, you can just drag it like this. So you can just click on a cell and it will be shown the option. You can just choose which one that like this. But if you doesn't add the correct options, for example AB, when you click on enter, there will be a pop-up saying that there was a problem. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this will be helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, thanks, comment, and subscribe. Bye.